So these are starting to fall apart, and I figure maybe I can recreate them 3D printed with the TPU. So this one is really starting to fall apart. So if I can just reprint these up, I looked them up online, and there was an eBay store that had them. 14 bucks plus like $8 shipping. You know, after tax, we're talking over 25 bucks for just these. So I figure I could probably just make them myself. So let's take some measurements on them. And okay, to get an accurate print, I try to get all the dimensions for it before I model it up in the freeCAD and then print it and use my 3D printer. So let's get the dimensions here real quick. One other thing I'm going to mention is there's a kind of radius on the inside of here, so we'll have to account for that as well. So we'll figure out how to do that. But otherwise, it should be fairly straightforward.
Okay, so in order to make the part, I'm using this freeCAD software, and first I made a little sketch of the profile of the part, and then I did a 360-degree revolution of it to make it actually a 3D model. And then I formed this little cutout and did a pocket. So there we have one of those, the ribs for the part here. And then I did a polar pattern to do it 8 times around the whole model. So here's my finished CAD model, and I exported it into a 3MF format so that I could print it.
Alright, well, I just got done changing my coolant and flushing the system and everything, and so I was going to put this all back together. And so now here I have ones that I printed up. This one actually used a TPU that was a little too hard, I think, because the original ones are really soft and squishy. So I did some more, and they're a little more stringy, but it doesn't really matter. But I think it'll work great, especially since this one is pretty much torqued by now. So there was some tape, like some metal tape on the outside of this holding it together. And this one was pretty shot too. So I think these turned out pretty good, and they're pretty squishy. So let's see. Oh man, they fit on like perfect. Fit right on there. Oh yeah. I think that'll be perfect. So just easier than ordering them online, and quicker just to make up the part in freeCAD and print them out myself. So anyway, at least I'll post this online publicly, maybe on Thingiverse or something, if anyone else needs one of these. But this was a TPU 85A is the hardness, and so it's pretty squeezy, pretty rubbery. Almost as rubbery as these originals, maybe just slightly tougher than that, but I think it'll work perfect. It feels nice and squishy, honestly, so I think it'll work out great. See if I can do this one-handed, but try to slide this over on the new ones. Oh yeah, that fits good there.